In US 1897, a young woman, Elva Sona, was found dead. Her death ruled natural, but her spirit refused to rest. Her mother Mary received a message from the spirit of Sona. She revealed the death details of her murder history. This case was reopened as per the message of spirit. That changed the legal history of the US. This is known as ghost testimony. Sona's husband had a deadly past. Sona's spirit demanded justice. The courtroom was stunned by the supernatural story. The killer was arrested as per the new investigation and evidence. The true crime meets a paranormal incident. Justice from beyond the grave. This true story underlines that you can kill a person, but can't kill the spirit of a person. It can do revenge at any time like human. Never underestimate the power of spirits. This is more than a ghost story. It is a story of love, of justice, and of a bond between mother and daughter that even death couldn't break. The book, The Ghost Testimony, discovers a spine-chilling true story that made a legal history in US. Click the link below and get your copy now.